Hello, I'm Xavi, and I'm going to introduce you this master program of the University of Girona that is entitled Medical Image Computing. Before starting to talk a little bit about the concepts and the main structure of the master, I would like to first talk a little bit about the city and the University of Girona. Girona is known to be a university city because actually has the 3 different campuses spread inside the city. And of course, Girona is a very nice city with a long history, and is actually known to be one of the best preserved Jewish quarters in Europe. Girona is having around 100,000 people. Girona, as you can see, the map is close to the sea part, is close to a big city like Barcelona, and also close to France. It has very good train connections and also a small airport that you can connect to different cities in Europe. As I said before, there are plenty of beautiful places to visit, the sea part, Costa Brava. We have also the mountains. If you like to ski, there is the Pyrenees in a short distance, and plenty of small villages to enjoy. Girona is also an active city, has a lot of events, musical, sport events, and is also very well known for having nice food, and the Catalan food is something that you need to try. Okay? So if you want to enjoy all these things, you should come to Girona. Let's talk now a little bit about the University of Girona. Girona is having nowadays more than 15,000 students distributed in the 3 campuses that I was saying before. And in one of those campuses is where we find the Polytechnical School. And in the Polytechnical School, we do all the degrees, engineering and architecture degrees. And in particular, nowadays, we have like 12 different degrees, 9 master programs, and 1 PhD program in technology. One of these master programs is the one that I'm going to present right now, that is the Medical Image Computing Master. This master, as you can see in the name, has 2 parts. We are going to deal with medical images, and then the development of algorithms to compute and to extract information from these images. So this is about this master. And just to summarize, I put here a picture with the main topics that you will see in this master. So in one side, you will have you will see strategies for image processing and for image analysis. This includes well-known processes like image segmentation, image classification, and image registration. All these fields are very related to the application of artificial intelligence techniques, and within the master you will see machine learning techniques and the application of deep learning strategies to this field of image classification and image segmentation. All these together are also used to develop diagnostic tools and CAD systems that are actually computer-aided diagnostic systems that are going to be used to help the medical experts in different diseases. And through the master, we will cover and we will see different applications like breast cancer, prostate cancer, skin cancer, and different brain disease. And finally, inside the master, we also cover a little bit of introduction on medical robotics with the application to the computer-aided surgery. Let's talk now a little bit about the structure of this master. This is a 1-year program of 60 CTS. You can see in the picture that is distributed in 2 different semesters. The first one that is dedicated to courses, and then the second one in which students will do a research project that is actually the master thesis proposal. At this point, I would like to highlight that this master, this medical image computing master, is overlapping, and it actually corresponds to the second year of another program that we are coordinating in the University of Girona. That is the Erasmus Mundus program on medical imaging and applications. In this master that is funded by the EU, the European Union, we have students going the first year in France, then in Italy, and then they move to specialize with these medical image courses in Girona. Okay? So what we have done is to perform this full-year master, specialized to the medical images, and then do the master thesis. So we expect that the students joining this master program should have a bachelor degree, particularly an engineering degree like computer science, biomedical engineering, or even industrial or electronic engineers, and also is open to mathematicians or physicians that have also a good level of programming, because as you can see, this is a technological master in which you have to develop algorithms. Let's talk a little bit about the courses. As you can see here, we'll do 6 different courses. The first one, that is the MISA course, Medical Image Segmentation and Applications. The second one, that is the MIRA course, Medical Image Registration and Applications. Then we have a module talking about CAD systems, one module of e-health, in which you will see visits into hospitals and medical doctors coming to do some seminars. the module of Introduction to Medical Robotics, and finally, a short course on research and scientific dissemination. Then, after this first semester, the students will apply all these concepts to perform the research project that is the final master thesis. This can be done either in our research groups, in the university, or as is done with the Maya students, students will have the opportunity to go outside to different universities, to different hospitals or companies dedicated to this field in any international place. So, as we have said, in this master you will see a lot of images coming from different sources, X-ray, MRI images, ultrasound images, or some other sort of images, like optical images that are used in the medical field. Regarding applications, we will see applications to mammography, breast cancer, application to chest inspection, nowadays very well known for the COVID diagnosis. In the MISA course, for instance, we will fully dedicate to MRI processing to extract information, biomarkers from the magnetic resonance images of the brain, and many other applications like melanoma detection or even classification of histopathological images. Let's talk a little bit about the strength of this master proposal. This is actually summarized in this picture that you have. You can see that this is a very growing field. There are a lot of new opportunities, either applying these technologies to the research or to the companies. We offer also, with this master proposal, the opportunity to have up-to-date contents. So that means you are going to see state-of-the-art strategies and algorithms, both in the field of image analysis and also artificial intelligence and the application of newer deep learning techniques. We also think that it's a very good point that you will have scholarships visiting, invited lectures that are also well known in the world, and they will come to this master to perform these invited seminars. And in the final row, you can see that all these students joining this program will be together with the same class group of the Maya Master, and this creates a really international environment. You will meet a lot of people, and you will improve your English language, the English language. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on after the master. So we just summarize this into these 4 blocks. In one side, you will have a very good background, technological background in this field, not only in the medical domain, but also in the application of these strategies to computer vision problems or artificial intelligence problems. As I said before, this is a growing field. There are plenty of opportunities. In one hand, for instance, research jobs. That means finding positions for PhDs in universities or even in companies. And this is actually the beginning of a possible academic career. And if you like more the idea to go to a company, there are also possibilities to find a job, technological job, in specialized companies, the startups that are growing very fast in Europe, and also hospitals that are looking for this profile. And finally, we think that is also a very good outcome, the possibility to have this master, international opportunities, and the possibility to join this multidisciplinary experience with people from all around the world. Finally, just to finish up, we are always saying that this master is mainly designed for students, and the students are the main actors of this program. And if you join this program, we will ask you to interact with the faculty, with the visiting scholars, with all the researchers that we have, and your teammates of the class. Okay? You should enjoy the experience as much as you can, but also take profit of these connections. We try to do every year survey reports, asking to the students things that we can improve, and we try ourselves to improve every year in this master program. Finally, I would like to say that there are options to win a grant, a free waiver, free registration to this program. So if you have doubts or if you are interested on this, please, I'll be more than happy to answer any question, any doubt. Just send me an email to this address. And that's it. Hope to see you soon in this Master Medical Image Computing.